Alright, TikTok, we just caught this big bass and we realized that it's choking on another fish in its mouth. Let's try saving it. Yo, it's like throwing up another fish. Oh my god, it's like a little bass. Oh my gosh, Nico. Yo, Nico, try pulling it out. Oh my gosh, we just rescued a fish. Oh my gosh. Yo, there's a bluegill in its mouth. It's a double rescue.
Alright guys, it's time to release my pet fish. Enjoy your life in your new pond, buddy. See ya. There he goes. Oh my god, no! My pet fish!
No way.
No way.
No, I think he just grabbed onto the line. He's just holding on. Oh yeah. Getting sick of it yet? Bro.
Did you get that on camera?
Sure did.
I think I can see a school of fish over there. I'll just cast into it.
You get any fish?
Cap, you got that hand line ready?
Yeah, it's all ready.
This is our bait, massive bait. We're gonna drop it down right now. Let's hand line a big fish.
Here, just put it down like 10 feet.
Hold on, he just dropped it. He got it.
Here, we just had a fall. Here, Mike. It's a monster.
It's a monster.
Hold on, Mike.
I don't want to go saltwater fishing anymore.
Dude, that thing is so big. That thing is so big, Mike. Mike. It's giant. Mike, wait till you see it. Dude.
Oh my gosh! No!
You're good. You're floating.
You're good.
No!
Don't let Flipper eat him! Oh shit! In the boat! In the boat! It's the dolphin.
Holy shit. Open your bail.
He's coming for this one. Oh shit! Oh shit!
I'm gonna picture that! Holy shit! It's the fucking boat! Oh my god!
I got all that on.
Oh yeah, he's on.
Oh, but yeah, bullshit, he ain't on there. He's on there.
You're walking, bro.
Coming out. All you, dog. Get her ass. Get her ass.
Oh!
Ooh! Coming out. Coming out. Right now. She's gonna shoot the kids. She's gonna turn and she's gonna shoot. Ooh. Frank.
Another big one, bro.
Yep.
That's sweet. Oh, it's ginormous. Holy crap. That's like that's a lot.
Whoa, no!
Grande. Grande mouse. É a bicha. Nossa! É a bicha. É a bicha, entra na água, vai, já desça lá já. Nossa senhora. Entra na água aí, louco. O que tá filmando? Tá filmando aqui? Pelas domas. Pelo amor de Deus. Pega esse peixe, mouse. Perdeu o peixe. Nossa, cara. Acredito.
There's the blue. You can't get past the blue. He's been eating well. There he goes.
She's a hot little number in her pickup truck. Daddy Sweet Money done jacked it up. She's a party all-nighter from South Carolina.